This chili oil recipe is one of our favorite recipes as it is a delicious condiment. Add ginger, garlic, sesame, salt and sugar to the chilliflakes. Drizzle vegetable oil in a pan and you'll need 3 aromatic spices, cinnamon stick cloves, peppercorns. You can also add spring onions and white onions for more flavorful cooking. Filter the oil and add it to the spicy mixture. There you go! Turn every dish into a spicy masterpiece. Elevate your meals with this versatile spicy oil, perfect for adding a kick to eggs, fried rice, and noodles.